So Natalie Edwards, the volunteer president with Rebuilding Together Pitt County. We keep our elderly warm, safe, and dry. So thankful for our partnership with Christ Church and Koinonia Christian Center here in the town of Winterville. We were able to work on 5 homes, and also we were able to make many new friends and fellowship with some families. So thank you all so much. So for our homeowners, it's very humbling to know that we have folks right here in our community who do not have access to running water, hot water, working stoves. They're moving rugs around in their homes because they may fall through a hole. So we're talking about basic needs, things that I often take for granted, and it's just very humbling to come out and see the community rally around our homeowners to meet these basic needs. So folks who would like to get involved with our organization can certainly help with projects. You can help with office work. We always need help with fundraising. So no matter the skill set, if you want to paint, if you'd like to demo a house, if you have construction skill and you're able to build a ramp, build steps, plumbing, electrical work are also big needs for our program. No matter the skill set, we can find a project for you.